हेलो एवरीवन, ये है आपके बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर की फर्स्ट पेपर की 6 यूनिट का सेकंड टॉपिक, मार्गरेट एटवुड की पोएम स्पेलिंग्स। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेयर वाज मार्गरेट एटवुड बॉर्न? मार्गरेट एटवुड का जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? द आंसर इज सी, ओटावा, कनाडा। एट what age did Margaret Atwood begin attending school full time? The answer is B. फुल टाइम उन्होंने स्कूल अटेंड किया 12 साल की उम्र में। इन विच ईयर मार्गरेट एटवुड मैरिड टू जिम फॉक्स? द आंसर इज ए। 1968 में उन्होंने जिम फॉक्स से शादी कर ली। What is the name of Margaret Atwood's daughter? मार्गरेट एटवुड की डॉटर का नाम क्या था? द आंसर इज सी। इन विच ईयर डिड मार्गरेट एटवुड पब्लिश्ड हर फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ पोएट्री डबल टीचर फोन? द आंसर इज ए। 1961 में उनकी पहली बुक पोएट्री डबल पर्सन फोन पब्लिश हुई थी। मार्गरेट एटवुड्स नोबल द हैंडमेड्स टेल वोन विच लिटरेरी अवार्ड? इसने कौन सा लिटरेरी अवार्ड जीता था? द आंसर इज ए, बुकर प्राइज। व्हाट इज द टाइटल ऑफ मार्गरेट एटवुड्स कलेक्शन ऑफ लेक्चर पब्लिश्ड इन 2008? द आंसर इज सी, पे बैक डेप्ट एंड शैडो साइड ऑफ वेल्थ। Margaret Atwood is the inventor of which remote robotic writing technology? The answer is B, long pen. In November 2020, Margaret Atwood published a collection of poems titled, the answer is C, Dearly. What is the टाइटल ऑफ द नोबल? उनके नोबल का टाइटल क्या है? दैट इज ए मॉडर्न डे, जो एक मॉडर्न डे है। रिटेलिंग ऑफ शेक्सपियर, जो बताती है शेक्सपियर की टेम्पेस्ट। The answer is C, Haggschild. How many Booker Prize had Margaret Atwood won for her literary work? The answer is B, उन्हें 2 अवार्ड मिल चुके थे। Many of Margaret Atwood's works explore theme of, the answer is C, power, politics, climate change. Margaret Atwood founded which prestigious poetry award along with Scott Giffen? The answer is A, Griffin Poetry Prize. What is the title of the Margaret Atwood sequels, The Handmaid's Tale, that was published in 2009? The answer is C, The Testaments. Which is the poem of Margaret Atwood? The answer is D, all of these. Who is the poet of the poem This is a Photograph of Me? The answer is D, Margaret Atwood. Spelling is a poem written by Margaret Atwood. In which poem Margaret Atwood used the metaphor of spelling to express the power of language and communication? स्पेलिंग में उन्होंने मेटाफोर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच का यूज किया है। What is the primary theme of the poem Spelling by Margaret Atwood? The answer is C, the suppression of women's voice. द पोएम मैंशंस ए वुमेन कॉट इन द वॉर, ये पोएम मेंशन करती है कि वुमेन युद्ध में पकड़ी जाती है एंड इन लेबर, और जब वो प्रेग्नेंट होती है, विद हर थाइस टाइट, उसकी जो थाई हैं वो बांधी जाती हैं टुगेदर बाय द एनिमी, एनिमी के द्वारा। व्हाट दिस इवेंट सिम्बोलाइज इन द पोएम? द आंसर इज डी, सुपरिशन ऑफ वुमेन्स वॉइस। व्हाट इज द सिग्निफाइंस ऑफ द लाइन ए वर्ड आफ्टर ए वर्ड? The after a word is power. In the line in the poem, the answer is B, it highlights the cumulative power of words. अगर आपने स्पेलिंग से रिलेटेड स्पेलिंग की जो समरी है उससे वीडियो नहीं देखी तो जाकर चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। हाउ डज द पोएम यूज द मेटाफर ऑफ द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ जेनिटी टू कन्वे इट्स मीनिंग? द आंसर इज ए, it signifies the heat of creativity and expression. In the poem, the phrase how to spell, spelling how to make spell is interpreted as, the answer is A, different stage of women's life. What is the overarching theme of the poem Spellings as discussed in the analyzing? The answer is B, superstition of women's voice. What does the line a child is not a poem is not a child implies in the context of the poem? The answer is A, it emphasizes the distinction between motherhood and creativity. According to the analysis, what do the burning wish and the covered mouth with leather symbolize in the poem? The answer is A, superstition of women's voice in history. In the poem, what is the poet's message about the power of word and language? The answer is A, words have the power of enchant and cast spell. What is the overcome theme of the poem Spelling? by Margaret Atwood? The answer is C. The power and superstition of female voice. What figure of speech is employed in that line? How to spell spelling? How to make spell? The answer is C. Alliteration. In the phrase mainline words, what figure of speech is used? The answer is A. Metaphor. What figure of speech is present in the line? The word spells and double and speaks the truth. The answer is C. Personification. What stylistic figure is prevalent in the poem's structure and language? The answer is C. Fragmented and non-linear narrative. In the poem, the line a word after a word after a word is power contains a pun. What is the pun based on? The answer is A. The dual meaning of the word word. The phrase how to spell in the poem has a pun that refers to. The answer is B. The art of enchantment and magic spell. What does the poet suggest about the relationship between words and power in the line a word after a word after a word is power? The answer is B. Word being combined with the potential to create power. What does the phrase mainline words signify in the context of the poem? The answer is A. The act of injecting words like a drug. What is the mother in the poem spelling? The answer is A. The poet herself. The word ancestor is used in the reference of. The answer is B. Mary Webster. What is the effect of the puns in the poem spelling by Margaret Atwood? The answer is B. They add depth and complexity to the poem's meaning. The poem spelling appears in. The answer is A. Twisteri. What are the colors mentioned in the poem? The answer is A. Red, blue, hard, yellow. In spelling, the poet mentions the word Holocaust too. The answer is A. Highlights a historical event. What does the poet suggest about the identity of women in the poem? The answer is C. Women often face a struggle between different aspects of their identity. In the last stanza, what does the poet advise her daughter to focus on? The answer is C. Concentrating on her first name and self identity. What does the line your first naming your first name your first word in the poem spelling by Margaret Atwood suggest? The answer is B. The significance of one's first name as a foundation of self identity. इसी के साथ मार्गरेट एटवुड के वर्क स्पेलिंग और मार्गरेट एटवुड से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज फिनिश होते हैं. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.